This is the best free NBA 2K26 Cronus Zen script. Let me show you guys how to get this script. It's actually crazy, alright? Now, to get this script, all you guys have to do is join our Discord, alright? To join our Discord, go to the first link in the description, and you guys will be able to join our Discord. Now, once you guys are in our Discord, make sure you guys go to the section where it says get access and watch this video. And to get access to the free script, all you guys have to do is make sure you're using the OZK tag, alright? The Ozark tag. Do not forget to use this or else it's just not gonna work, alright? Now, with the free script, so what you guys get is you guys get a free script for Call of Duty, alright? You get one for NBA, which is the one right here. It is actually crazy as shit, alright? And then obviously you guys get one for Fortnite, right? Now let's go out. All right, let's go into generator. Now, if you guys want to get the script for NBA, right, but you guys do not want to customize the values, do not go in here for the script for NBA. Go down to the hashtag generator, all right, and you guys will be able to generate a perfect value script for your build. All right, so I'm just gonna put in some random build and you guys will see it'll give me the script. So I'll do this, do like 6'3", 3-point, I'll do like 86. Mid, I'll do like 90. Speed, I'll do like 87. All right, and you guys will see now it has generated me a perfect script, perfect values for my build. All you guys gotta do is literally put the script onto your Cronus Zen and go straight into NBA and start dominating everyone, bro. I'm telling you guys, do not miss out on this, alright? It's literally free, bro. It's so easy to get. And also, if you guys ever want to upgrade, you can upgrade to Champ, alright? With Champ, let me show you guys what you get. Where is it? Right, you guys get Auto Green, you guys get Tempo AI, you guys get Infinite Stamina. The amount of mods you guys get with Champ is crazy, bro, alright? It's actually insane. Alright, so guys, do not miss out on this, bro. Make sure you join the Discord, get the free script generator for you, and boom, bro.